welcome back to my channel Seradha Bliss, where health meets flavor. Today we are diving into a classic favorite with a twist, guacamole, packed not only with vibrant flavors but also a boost of health benefits. Let's get started. For this nutritious delight, you will need 3 medium-sized ripe avocados, 2 Roma tomatoes, half an onion, 1 green chili, a handful of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, the juice of 1½ limes, and 2 cloves of garlic. First, let's wash our all vegetables and utensils to ensure everything is clean. Now peel and pit the avocados and scoop them into a bowl. Mash them gently but thoroughly. Add in the lime juice immediately. This not only adds a zesty flavor but also keeps our guacamole vibrant and green. Thanks to antioxidant properties of lime, we can keep our avocados in vibrant green color. Avocados are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. Let's mince the onions. Onion provides quercetin, which can help with allergies and inflammation. Next, dice the tomatoes and add them to the mix for a juicy crunch. Tomatoes add lycopene, an antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting properties. Then chop the cilantro finely to sprinkle in that fresh herbal essence. Combine all these with the mashed avocado. Finally, mince the garlic. Now it's time to season with salt and pepper. Then mix everything together until it's just right. It's important not to overmix to maintain that perfect texture. Remember, air is the biggest enemy for avocado. Please cover it properly. This guacamole is not just only for tortilla chips. You can use with the toast bread, use it as a salad topping, or dip your favorite veggies for a healthy snack. There you have it, a guacamole recipe that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Try it out, share the health, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Enjoy!